Good afternoon to everyone. I'm honored to be part of this closing ceremony. I also would like to thank him for bringing on board this wide range of universities in the region, in Sialkot and throughout Pakistan, and to put the universities, the knowledge providers, into the driving seat for innovation and economic development. As president of the Triple Helix Association, I'm so honored to see that the concept has flourished in Pakistan, and I noted in the concept paper for the Sialkot district that they have developed the Triple Helix into Pentacle Helix, and this is a very interesting way to bring in details and to acknowledge that we cannot just talk about business sector and private sector, that the industry and the agriculture are very different and they need different efforts to upgrade their capabilities for performance. On the second note, I would like to thank also Dr. Afdan, and particularly the fact that the Public Policy Institute embraced the initiatives of the innovation policy actors, because public policy is much stronger to bring in innovation for economic development. And I think this is what we see in Sialkot district. We see this combined effort to drive economic development through innovation, through entrepreneurship. I would like also to thank Mr. Barriar. I don't know whether he's attending this session today, but it's very important to see the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce, and I think it's very important to see more government actors on board of such initiatives, because it's not just about exchange of ideas, it's about brainstorming new development paths. And in this line of brainstorming, I would like to share with you one slide, which I hope you will find interesting, relevant. Just one slide about the design of the entrepreneurial innovation ecosystem which the Sialkot district is trying to embark upon. And I would like to stress on a couple of points that in our knowledge path, everything we have learned so far is still relevant, but it's not sufficient. It's not sufficient to address the most current challenges. And what you see here is some concepts about bringing mega cluster. We heard a lot about your competencies in medical instruments, your competencies in sports goods. How can you leverage these concepts for other sectors, for cross-sectoral fertilization in innovation? For example, in other advanced regions, you can see how medical instruments actually can provide high technology for agrofarming, sensors or some other agrofarming technologies, which will strengthen the internal market, not just in the region, but also throughout Pakistan. So what you see here is the factors of production. The way we conceptualize them in Sialkot district, they're still the same. It's the territory, the location of this territory, is the labor, how educated is this labor, is the capital, the investment flows, it's the level of technology and technology upgrade. And then we have these extra factors, which are the know-how, the entrepreneurship, and the market forces. And all of this have been assumed to be in the hands of public policy. But what we have learned is that all of those areas require multi-stakeholder engagement. And the government should really open their platforms for contributions from the other stakeholders, how to shape different aspects of the entrepreneurial innovation ecosystem. Um, I would like to one more point to mention about the uh, using this stage of development to um, leap forward. You can use the sustainable development goals when you actually raise the ambitions for Sialkot district, not only to be a leader in Pakistan, but to be leader across neighboring countries, across other similar regions in Pakistan, and uh, um, and I think that the what I would wish to see is that the stakeholders in Sialkot um, develop more collaborative interface, working together towards specific projects, specific initiatives, not only presenting those initiatives, but in the kitchen of designing these initiatives in terms of value co-creation and in terms of sharing the outputs, because as more sharing environment is created, more it will empower the stakeholders, it will empower the communities, it will empower the small businesses and the entrepreneurs, it will inspire the individual academics to bridge across the ivory towers of universities and to deliver more value added to the community. So I would like to wish you best of luck in all the initiatives in the Sialkot district to achieve your 10 goals, and I look forward to hear of new developments. Thank you.